Ever feel like you're juggling a dozen different apps just to keep your projects and tasks on track? You've got one for to-dos, another for team communication, maybe a spreadsheet for tracking progress, and yet another for managing documents. It's a recipe for confusion, missed deadlines, and a whole lot of wasted time. Enter ClickUp, a platform that aims to be the ultimate solution to this digital sprawl. But what kind of tool is ClickUp exactly? Is it just another task manager? A glorified to-do list? The answer is a resounding no. ClickUp is more accurately described as a comprehensive work management platform. Think of it as a digital command center for all your projects, tasks, and team collaborations. At its core, ClickUp helps you organize and manage work. But it goes far beyond simply listing tasks. It provides a flexible and customizable environment where you can plan, track, and collaborate on everything from simple personal projects to complex, multi-team initiatives. Imagine this: you're leading a marketing campaign. With ClickUp, you can break down the entire campaign into manageable tasks. From initial brainstorming to final reporting, every step can be created and assigned. Set deadlines and track progress visually. See exactly where each task stands and identify potential roadblocks before they cause delays. Communicate directly with your team. Discuss specific tasks, share files, and provide feedback, all within the context of the project. Manage resources and allocate workload. Ensure everyone knows their responsibilities and that the workload is evenly distributed. Track time spent on different activities. Gain insights into team productivity and identify areas for improvement. Automate repetitive tasks. Set up triggers to automatically update task statuses. Assign team members, or send notifications. Visualize data with dashboards and reports. Get a high-level overview of project progress and identify key performance indicators. This example just scratches the surface of what ClickUp can do. Its versatility stems from its modular design, allowing you to tailor the platform to your specific needs and workflows. Let's delve deeper into the key components that make ClickUp a powerful work management tool. 1. Task management on steroids. While ClickUp certainly handles basic task creation, assignment, and due dates, it elevates task management with a wealth of features. You can customize task statuses. Instead of just to do, in progress, and done, you can create statuses that perfectly reflect your workflow, e.g., research, drafting, review, approved. Add custom fields. Track specific information relevant to each task, such as priority level, budget, client name, or approval status. Utilize multiple assignees. Assign tasks to more than one person, clearly defining responsibilities. Set dependencies. Link tasks together so that one cannot start until another is completed, ensuring a logical flow of work. Create recurring tasks. Automate the creation of tasks that need to be done regularly, e.g., weekly reports, monthly check-ins. Prioritize tasks. Use different methods like flags, priority levels, or custom fields to highlight urgent or important items. 2. Project management made flexible. ClickUp isn't just for managing individual tasks. It's designed to handle complex projects with multiple moving parts. It offers various ways to visualize your projects, including list view, a straightforward, linear view of tasks, ideal for simple projects or personal to-dos. Board view, Kanban, a visual workflow where tasks move through customizable columns representing different stages. Perfect for agile methodologies. Calendar view, see tasks and deadlines in a calendar format, providing a clear overview of your schedule. Gantt chart view, visualize project timelines, dependencies, and critical paths, essential for managing complex projects with strict deadlines. Mind map view, brainstorm ideas and organize them visually before turning them into actionable tasks. Workload view, see how tasks are distributed among team members, helping to prevent overload and ensure balanced resource allocation.